I'll make Achia Persimmon microwave mug cake. Here are the ingredients. This is the ripe Achia Persimmon. This is chocolate. This is the pumpkin maple spread. This is pancake mix. Dry cake mix in here, chocolate and persimmon. And I'm gonna add some milk and then stir it. Some milk in there. And we stir it. Put some chocolate on top. Now we're going to put this into the microwave. After it is done, we're going to put some pumpkin maple spread on top of it. Very moist and creamy, soft. It has the dark chocolate and persimmon, and has the pumpkin maple spread. It's excellent dessert for the autumn time.